In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove tab stops in Google Docs. Whether you're tidying up your document or trying to get those formats just right, knowing how to manage tab stops is an essential skill. So let's dive in and clean up those documents together. First, navigate to Google Drive by opening your preferred browser and heading to your Google Drive homepage. If you're not already signed in, take a moment to do so. Once you're logged in, you'll notice a list of all your documents. Scroll through and find the document you want to edit. Click on it to open it in Google Docs. Now that you've got your document open, let's locate those tab stops. At the top of your document, just beneath the toolbar, you'll see what's known as the ruler. This is where tab stops make their home, marked by tiny icons that look like left-facing arrows. These represent the current tab stop set in your document. If you don't see the ruler, click on View in the top menu and ensure Show Ruler is checked. The next step is to highlight the tab stop you want to remove. Move your cursor up to the ruler, hover over the tab stop icon you want to eliminate, and you'll notice the cursor changes to a double-headed arrow or grabber hand. That means you can now click and hold on that tab stop. While holding the left mouse button, drag the tab stop icon upward toward the gray area of the ruler. As you drag, you'll notice the tab stop detaching from the ruler. Drop it into the gray area, and it will vanish. By doing this, you effectively remove the tab stop from your document. Now, with the tab stop removed, it's always a good idea to preview your document. Scroll through your text to see how the changes have been applied, ensuring the removal of the tab stop didn't affect the document's layout more than you intended. If further adjustments are needed, feel free to follow this process again for any remaining tab stops. And there you have it. You've successfully removed tab stops from your Google document. Not only does this streamline your document's formatting, but it also ensures your text aligns exactly as you wish. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe for more handy tech tips and tutorials.